Hello, it's Grayson with Ramen KG TV, and this is my 2002 Subaru WRX, さんぽーちゃん. It's a really fun car. It's fast and pretty powerful, and it has a couple of mods and things to make it even more powerful. But I recently made a video about the different fixes and upgrades that it needs. So the first upgrade that I'm going to do is replace my old grubby alternator cover with this new ARP Carbon Fiber alternator cover, as well as fixing my hood latch. The way a hood latch works is when something pushes down on this hook here, it's supposed to lock into place, holding whatever was pushed down onto it. The problem with mine is that it's really grimy and dirty, so it doesn't move and lock as smoothly as it should. By simply spraying it with WD-40, a kind of lubricant, it should get the parts moving and working like they should be. Wow. Yeah, this is the alternator cover. What it does is it sits over the alternator, which generates power for the car. So it recharges the battery and all the different electrical components. It also sits on top of the different belts and the pulleys so that it can protect your little UV. It's like a shield for your fingers. The reason that I'm replacing the old alternator cover is because it's made out of really weak plastic, and this one is just, it's really cracking. And plus the new carbon fiber one is really pretty. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned a little bit about cars and alternator covers and different things like that. Please check next week for my next video. I'm going to be replacing the ball joints and the tie rod ends, which I will explain that in the next video. But until next time, bye! 簡単だよ。やっぱり it actually closed that time.